You can still hear the river. The evening's heavy and the sky was gray. The talk was long and it did not deliver. Now your head's bowed down as you turn away. Who cares what went down tonight? Lover, this will be alright. We have walked through a hurricane. We won't die from a little rain. We won't die from a little rain. These traps and snares that we call our feelings, they leave us dancing, dancing on shattered glass. But we've done some hurting, let's do some healing.